Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your PC so updates proceed without hiccups. Save all files and close apps. This prevents file conflicts and speeds the process. Once done, plug in power and confirm a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, because updates can be large and unstable networks cause errors. Make sure you have roughly 20% free disk or at least 10 GB available. Windows needs room to unpack and stage files. Now open Settings and go directly to Windows Update to start checking for updates. Once Windows finds updates, let it download. Policy and feature updates can take longer than quality fixes, so be patient. You choose whether to install immediately or schedule a restart. Set active hours to avoid interruptions. During download and install, watch CPU, disk, and network usage. Drivers and firmware may trigger reboots. If prompted, accept required restarts. The sequence can include multiple reboots. After installation, check update history to confirm success, and make note of any error codes to troubleshoot later. To finalize, verify the new build and OS version in Settings About, then run Windows Update again to catch follow-ups. Make sure device drivers are current. Update them via Device Manager or vendor tools only if needed. If the system fails to boot or shows update errors, reboot into safe mode, try System Restore to a restore point, or run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to automatically fix common issues. Keep a recent backup and record any error codes. Those codes guide targeted fixes or vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.